What is one of the most important parts of yoga? Do you know the answer? I'm Krista Oakes. I am a yoga and meditation instructor, an author and a speaker, and each Monday I like to share with you a Mindful Monday, a tip or an inspiration for living a mindful life. Here's the answer. The answer is your breath. The breath is powerful, and it really turns anything you do into a yogic experience. The breath is like a miracle worker for helping your nervous system relax, to helping you feel more calm and relaxed. And all it takes is a breath. But what I want to share with you in addition today is the power in moving with your breath. Coordinating your breath and movement when you're on the mat or in anything that you do, from seated in a chair or standing up nice and tall, reach the fingers down and inhale slowly as you reach the arms up slowly. Holding the breath and holding the arms at the top, and then exhale, controlling the breath, slowly letting the arms come all the way back down. Let's do it once together. Inhale. And exhale. It is powerful to begin to coordinate your breath with movement. Think of inhale on the expansion. Your belly expands, the body opens, your arms open on the inhale, and then when you exhale, there's a release. The body softens, the arms come in. It's powerful to learn how the breath can support your movement. This week, practice bringing breath when you're taking a walk, when you're making dinner. Can you coordinate your breath and the movement to discover the power it has in bringing you into the present moment, to anchoring you and grounding you into the present moment? Try it this week. Let me know. And if you know somebody who needs a little grounding and centering this week, please share this video with them. Share this on your feed. Help others know the power in yoga and your breath. Have a beautiful, peaceful day. Namaste.